So today we are going to be talking about the perfect data storage solution. Everyone at some point in their lives have either lost data due to a damaged device or a hardware failure. Let's find out what Synology can offer us. Centralizing and storing data, backing up workstations, sharing files, collaborating on documents, syncing files between devices, video surveillance, creating a media center, and much more. Hope you guys found some useful information about Synology. If you need any clarifications, you can visit the official Synology page, which is Synology Expert Sri Lanka. The link is listed below on the description.